Bratislava Castle, perched majestically atop a hill overlooking the charming Slovak capital, is a historic and iconic landmark that offers visitors a fascinating journey through centuries of history and culture. This grand castle, with its striking white facade and distinctive four-corner towers, stands as a symbol of Bratislava's rich heritage and its enduring significance in the heart of Europe. The castle's origins trace back to ancient times, and its strategic location along the Danube River has made it a pivotal site in the region's history. As visitors approach the castle, they are greeted by its impressive entrance gate and grand courtyard, which set the stage for an exploration of its many treasures. The interior of Bratislava Castle is a treasure trove of historical artifacts, opulent chambers, and exhibitions that showcase the country's history and culture. The Slovak National Museum within the castle walls features a collection that spans from prehistoric times to the modern era, offering insights into Slovakia's evolution through art, archaeology, and historical artifacts. The Baroque-style Hall of Honor, adorned with stucco decorations and portraits of monarchs, is a highlight that captures the grandeur of bygone eras. Beyond the historical exhibitions, the castle's terraces provide breathtaking panoramic views of Bratislava and its surroundings. The Danube River, the Old Town, and the nearby Devon Castle are all visible from this vantage point, creating a captivating blend of natural beauty and urban landscapes. Bratislava Castle also plays a significant role in the city's cultural scene. It hosts events, concerts, and exhibitions that celebrate both local and international art, music, and traditions. The castle's surroundings, including the beautifully landscaped gardens and courtyards, offer a serene space for visitors to relax and enjoy the surroundings. For those interested in delving deeper into Slovak history and heritage, Bratislava Castle is an essential stop. The castle's historical significance, architectural splendor, and panoramic views come together to create an unforgettable experience that offers a window into Slovakia's past, present, and future. Whether you're admiring the castle's exterior, exploring its exhibitions, enjoying its cultural events, or simply soaking in the awe-inspiring vistas, a visit to Bratislava Castle is a journey through time and an opportunity to connect with the vibrant essence of Slovakia.